In a shocking turn of events, the acting U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, Danielle Sassoon, has resigned. Now, this is no ordinary resignation. Sassoon was the top federal prosecutor in the Southern District, a role that carries significant weight and responsibility. Her office was charged with upholding the rule of law, prosecuting federal crimes, and ensuring justice for all. But the pressures of the job were far from ordinary. Sassoon found herself in the eye of a political storm as she was pushed to drop criminal charges against none other than the mayor of New York City, Eric Adams. The stakes were incredibly high. This was the first prosecution of a sitting mayor in the city's modern history. Despite the immense pressure, Sassoon stood her ground until she could stand no more. Her unexpected departure has left a void in the U.S. Attorney's office and a cloud of uncertainty hanging over the city. This development raises serious questions about the independence and integrity of the U.S. Attorney's office. At the heart of this controversy are corruption charges against New York City Mayor Eric Adams. A rather unprecedented situation, as it marks the first prosecution of a sitting mayor in the city's modern history. The allegations are rather severe and have sent ripples through the political landscape. Accusations suggest that Mayor Adams received luxury travel benefits from a Turkish official. Now, it's not unusual for politicians to receive gifts, but these benefits were allegedly given in exchange for exerting influence on a fire department official. The exact nature of this influence is yet to be explored in depth. However, the implications are clear. If true, this would be a clear case of quid pro quo, a favor or advantage granted in return for something. Mayor Adams, on his part, has categorically denied these charges. He claims that they are nothing more than a politically motivated attack to tarnish his reputation and undermine his authority. It's a claim that is not uncommon in the world of politics. However, the severity of the charges and the subsequent dismissal of the case makes this situation far from ordinary. It's important to remember that these are still allegations. No clear-cut evidence has been presented to the public, and Mayor Adams remains innocent until proven guilty. Nevertheless, the situation has raised many eyebrows and sparked a heated discussion about political integrity and the rule of law. The dismissal of these charges has led to a major political storm with far-reaching implications. The ripple effect has led to the resignation of Danielle Sassoon, acting U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, further escalating the controversy. The question now is, what comes next? Is this the end of the story, or just the beginning of a tumultuous political saga? The fallout from this scandal is not just political, but it has the potential to shake the very foundations of New York City. The city, known for its resilience and spirit, is now grappling with a crisis that goes beyond its towering skyscrapers and bustling streets. At the heart of this turmoil is a question of trust, a question of integrity, and a question of the direction in which this city is headed. The allegations against Mayor Eric Adams have sent shockwaves through the city, raising serious concerns about governance and the future of New York. The public's faith in the city's leadership has been shaken, and the resignation of Danielle Sassoon, the acting U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, has only added fuel to the fire. It has raised eyebrows and questions about the independence of the U.S. Attorney's Office and its ability to uphold justice. The people of New York City are watching, waiting, and wondering. They are questioning what this means for the city they call home. The city that never sleeps is now awake and alert to the implications of this scandal. The city's ethos, its spirit, and its future are at stake. The direction of New York City, the beacon of dreams and opportunities, is under scrutiny. The public's reaction has been one of concern, disbelief, and anticipation. The city's residents, its heartbeat, are looking for answers and accountability. They are calling for transparency and integrity in leadership. They are demanding a city that upholds the values it stands for, a city that is not swayed by corruption or political pressure. This controversy has left New York City at a crossroads, with its future hanging in the balance. So, what does all this mean for the Southern District of New York, and indeed for the broader political landscape? As we've navigated through the unexpected resignation of Danielle Sassoon and the dropped corruption charges against Mayor Eric Adams, we've seen how these events have sparked widespread concerns. The pressing question remains, is the independence of our judiciary at risk? And what does this mean for the future of New York City? In the midst of political turbulence, the integrity of our judicial system and the future of New York City stand in the balance.